Telegram login problem easy 2024 solution. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can actually fix the login problem on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically fix the login problem on Telegram, let's say you're trying to open up Telegram and then you type in whatever your number is over here, but then what it tells you is over here is that instead of trying to log you in, it gives you a couple of errors. Now these errors could be happening due to a couple of reasons. First of all, you just want to check whether or not your internet connection is working just fine. After you make sure your internet connection is working fine, what you can also try to do is you can just go ahead and long press the Telegram app icon here, tap the I button to come to the app information page, and once you come to the app info page over here, you can simply go to the storage tab, and once you come to storage, clear cache, and if possible also try to clear the data. Once you've done that, head over to your Play Store or your App Store, try to check if you have an update available. If it does, make sure to update it. Then also make sure that the phone number or whatever else it is that you're trying to log in it is actually correct. Then you'll be able to solve the login issue. This way you should be able to solve the login problem on Telegram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.